In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PayPal account to Patreon. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Patreon like you normally would, make sure you are signed in. More importantly, go to the bottom left, press on your name, and you want to make sure that your page is selected. Afterwards, it's going to bring you to a menu that looks like this. From here, please go to the left menu and you're going to see this option that says Payouts. Then it is going to go ahead and give you this button over here that says add payment method, and it's also going to show you how much money you're able to withdraw currently. So select on add payout method right over here. And the next thing you will need to do is you will need to enter in what country you're located in. So even though it says bank, you still are able to use PayPal if you're in the United States. So let's go ahead and select on United States right here. You will also need to go ahead and identify your citizenship status and how you are set up, whether you're an individual or a corporation or you represent a corporation. Go ahead and press on next once you're done with that. And you'll notice that we'll get two different options over here. So we have direct deposit, which is processed through Stripe. And Stripe is basically another payment platform where you're able to use your bank account and stuff like that. We also do have PayPal right over here. So as you're able to tell, PayPal does have slightly more fees, but this is a little bit misleading because Stripe also does have fees itself, not necessarily from Patreon, but from Stripe themselves. So there's even more fees over here underneath direct deposit. Both of these are great options, but you're able to go ahead and select on PayPal. Then you want to press on continue to PayPal just like so. Afterwards, it is going to go ahead and open up PayPal and prompt you to sign in. Be sure that you are ready to sign into your PayPal account. All you need to do is you need to press on agree and connect over here, and now that is going to connect your PayPal account over onto Patreon. Then you just want to confirm it and you should be good to go. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.